Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are kind of getting ready. I'm gonna do a glow up and we're gonna go from not ready to ready using the most viral makeup products that are so worth your money, so worth your time, and are totally worth bringing into 2025. So you already know, grab your cafecito. I'm still drinking my chia water. It's pretty gross. Just kidding, it's not bad. And I'm eating some hot Cheetos, so there has to be a balance in life between healthy and unhealthy. All right, grab your cafecito and let's jump right in. Starting off with the skin, I'm taking the Refi primer. This one went absolutely viral and it took me forever to purchase it. But this one, you just roll it onto your skin. You can use it as a glowy moisturizer, but it also doubles as a little roller massage for your skin. And it'll just give you like the most glass skin ever, juicy, hydrated skin. Another viral product was anything that had to do with like bronzing drops or anything. e.l.f. gave us some bronzing drops. Pacifica gave us some bronzing drops. Milani, but the original one was from Drunk Elephant. I actually never bought that one just because I'm personally not into like bronzing drops, but I don't know, I might incorporate them this year. So I'm using one that also went viral, which is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Hue Drops. These contain a little bit of a tint, and I actually don't mind these at all because I love me the original, the Glow Recipe Little Moisturizer. Mi favorito. I use it pretty much every single day. I even got my daughter hooked on it because it's that good, okay? So I'm gonna let this dry down just for a few seconds and then we're gonna go in with our foundation. One of the most viral foundations on TikTok, and most of these products are gonna be TikTok viral, which I'm so sad that TikTok is going away. It's like bittersweet because it's such an addicting app that is so bad, but also I was hoping like 2025 was going to be my year of really like growing my platform, but I guess not. I'm just going to keep focusing on YouTube and Instagram. But anyways, the most viral foundation in my eyes was the Tier foundation, okay? So I have the 27 neutral camel shade. I bought mine off of Amazon and the match is pretty good. I feel like these tend to be a little yellow, but nonetheless, it's a really good foundation. So we're gonna go in with this. And technically the Easy Blur Primer from Huda Beauty also went viral. I feel like a lot of products can just easily go viral because everybody wants to try them. But the Easy Blur Primer, I feel like that whole foundation and primer together definitely went viral and people were just left and right buying it. So I'm gonna use that primer to just prime my skin. Take a shot, okay, every time I say primer. I'm gonna be drunk by the end of this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that sit for a few minutes and then I'm actually going to use a little bit of the One Size Oil Sucker. In my opinion, I feel like this also kind of went viral. Like I saw a lot of people talking about it when it first came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that, and I need it anyways because mama is oily and we just can't do that here. We can't have oily skin, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna drag this pretty much everywhere. Even though this foundation does keep me pretty matte all day, I'm still gonna mattify the skin. Oh, immediately super matte skin. I love it. My favorite way of applying this foundation is with just using the little cushion thing. So I'm gonna go in and apply this foundation. Like I said, it's a pretty good match to me, except I feel like it's just a little like yellow. I don't know. But this foundation is so good. I am so glad that a foundation like this, especially Korean brand, went viral because I have been on a Korean skincare journey for the past like year and I don't regret it at all. Look at that. Look at the coverage, and you literally need the smallest amount because it is that full coverage. It is light on the skin and it works really nicely, honestly. If you are looking for a new foundation to try in 2025 and you have yet to try the Tier foundation, you need to try it like yesterday because this foundation is so full coverage. It covers just about anything and it makes your skin look perfection. Okay, let's move on to bronzer. Actually, let's do concealer. So for my concealer, I chose the Hourglass concealer because, girl, I remember this was all over my For You page, all over my Instagram, thanks to an influencer. I think her name is like Amaya Colon or something, or Amaya Colon. And gorgeous girl, okay? She showed us how she did hair, like everyday makeup routine, just using concealer. Like she does this beautiful masterpiece. I could never. But she totally made this concealer go viral even though it is nothing new. And of course, me being me, I'm like, let me go get it. So I went and got it, and I'm not able to put it down. It's probably one of my most used concealers of 2024. It is full coverage. It is creamy, blends really nicely. It does get a little cakey, so don't apply too much, but it is so nice. I love this one in the shade Beach. Also, anything from one size seriously will go viral pretty much every single time. So I'm gonna use the sponge that he just recently released with his new foundation, which his foundation also went viral on TikTok. But I decided to choose the Tier foundation because I noticed that I've never shown it on my channel. So I'm just gonna use the sponge, and then of course I used the primer. His boba primer also went viral, but that one I don't reach for it as much unless I'm like extremely dry because it is more of a hydrating primer. And of course I want to keep my skin as mattified as possible because I produce enough oil as is, okay? Adding hydrating primers is like an overkill. For my bronzers, I'm actually going to use two. I feel like this also went very viral through TikTok and like a little bit on Instagram. This is from Mitchell's line, and it's the Curve Case. So it comes with bronzers and blushes, and honestly, this deserves all the hype that it could get and should be getting because it is such a good product. But also the LYS bronzer stick. Honestly, like I mentioned earlier, I feel like I mentioned in my last video, this bronzer was so hard to get a hold of. Like I could not get my hands on this for the longest time because it was absolutely viral that people kept buying it. It was a mess, okay? So I'm just going to use a little bit of that one, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the bronzer in this palette to help me blend everything together. And this is another brush that actually went viral on TikTok. It's the BK Beauty 109 brush. This one as well went super mega viral, and it's a good brush. They're a little more expensive, so I only bought one. I don't know, I just have a thing with brushes that I'm like, oh, they kind of all do the same thing, and I have a hard time spending a lot of money on a single brush when I know Real Techniques or Morphe will give me the same results. Like they're brushes. It's not about the brush, it's about how you use them. It's the artist behind the brush, okay? I'm not going to use any of the blushes from this palette because I specifically, sorry about that, that was loud. I specifically wanted to use a blush that literally nobody could escape from. It was like crazy everywhere. I remember going into Sephora looking for them for my daughter because she wanted some and they did not have them. I was lucky enough to get them, but the Milk Makeup, what are these? The jelly, cooling water jelly tints. Oh my gosh. These had everybody on a chokehold, okay? These were crazy sold out. Nobody could get their hands on them, and it was just such a viral product. I pretty much own every single shade at this point, but look at how cool that is. It's like, I don't know, the concept is very unique, and Milk Makeup deserves all the hype that they got with this specific product because it's gorgeous. It is probably one of my favorite blushes that I own, and I'm not a cheek tint gal, but there's something about this formula that, oh my gosh, I reach for these so often. I especially reach for these for the days that I'm wearing very minimum minimal makeup. Not minimum, minimal makeup. And I just want my skin and my cheeks to look very like natural. This is what I go for. And then of course you can use these on your lips to give you a little tint. I will do that on the days that I feel like, you know, I want to match my lip to my eyes or my lips to my cheeks, which is not very often. Like, how gorgeous and natural is that color? Oh my gosh. These are definitely some of the most beautiful blushes that I own, and I own a ton, okay? Blush is like my weakness. For my setting powder, I'm choosing the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. Oh my gosh, I could not escape the madness behind this powder, okay? Everywhere I looked, it was like kimchi powder, kimchi powder. I was like, okay, fine, I am buying it. So I went to my local, what was it? My local JCPenney, right? And I purchased it and I love it. It's such a good powder. It sets the skin really nicely and it doesn't dry it out. I think I have the shade Universal or Translucent, whatever it may be. That is definitely one thing that I'm going to miss about TikTok is the products. Like, I've learned about so much new makeup, new brands, new techniques through TikTok, and I am so sad to see it go. I don't know. I hope the community keeps growing, the beauty community, because I love makeup. I love trying new techniques. But TikTok, man, it was like a game changer for so many people. For my bronzer and my blush, I went again with the NYX Buttermelt bronzers and their blushes because these took everyone by storm. Like, these again were all over my For You page. And if you know of any other bronzer and blush that went viral, because I'm sure there was a few that did, but for me, I remember these going absolutely viral. And obviously this is also what I had at hand. So I'm going to take a little bit of the bronzer shade and apply it in the areas where I have already applied my bronzer, of course. This is my favorite bronzer at the moment, okay? Like, I think I kind of forgot about it, honestly. And then when I started using it on my videos, I was like, wait a minute, why is this actually really good? They're so pigmented and they're just like it says, buttery. And they blend like a dream. I might have applied a little too much on the forehead, but that's okay. We can blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with the blush, the orange one. It's literally the only one that I own. I will eventually pick up maybe one or two more shades, but for the time being, I'm just going to use this one. And it matches the blush underneath from Milk Makeup because that one was also a little bit orangey. I almost forgot about highlighter. The SheGlam Glow highlighter in the shade Lunar, I think, or Boarding. I'm not sure. I'm not sure which one. But this one, y'all, I remember it going viral. And for all the right reasons, it is so pretty. I'm going to show you guys the video that I found. I was like, oh my gosh, yeah.
Oh, I got it. And we're going to be trying that out today.
She is the reason why I got this highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm not going to apply it directly on my skin like she did because I've done that. And first of all, the bump is pretty much gone because I had a little bump. It's pretty much gone because I have used it quite a few times. But this highlighter is just stunning. Actually, let's just use the fingers because it is a lot prettier that way. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. They do have a new shade, which I actually prefer over this one because this is giving a little alien vibe, like green and blue, which is so not me, but for today's video, I'm gonna do y'all a favor and I'm just gonna keep it on, okay? I threw in a little bit of eyeshadow all over my lids because we are gonna go in with the SheGlam Crystal Jelly Glaze Stick in the shade Aura Blitz. So these went viral, but looking back, I know that there's a different brand that went viral. I just don't own them. I just wanted to give them a quick little shout out. And this is from the brand Adriana Nicole Cosmetics. Her eyeshadows, they're like this beautiful pressed glitters. I'm going to show you guys. These went absolutely viral, but I never even bought any of them. So I'm going to go in straight with these little jelly eyeshadows. These are honestly pretty good. And they make the eyes sparkle like nobody's business. They're so pretty. And they don't need any glitter glue, which is probably the best thing. Look at that. So pretty. I've used these on my channel before. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and then we're gonna finish off with the lips. Lashes are on. Let's go into a lip product. When it comes to lips, there were so many products that did go viral. My mouth is on fire. I was just eating hot Cheetos, so excuse me for one sec. There were tons of products that did go viral, but I wanted to show you guys one in specific that went viral during the fall. That is the Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner in the shade Raisin with the e.l.f. Jam Session Lip Oil. I remember when this went viral, I could not find these anywhere. And after a while and lots of searching, I was able to find it. So let's go in with the lip liner. And then going in with Jam Session from e.l.f. Lots of these lip oils went viral last year. And honestly, I'm here for it because they're so good. I love the formula on these lippies. Look at that. I love this. It's just giving cranberry, very juicy winter lips, which I think is still appropriate for the weather. If you ask me, this is not my type of lip combo. You guys know I'm more of a neutral brown girly. But if you are a lighter complexion, I think this is going to be really pretty on you. I don't like it on me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. But let's finish off the skin with the most viral setting spray of last year. I also want to mention that the NYX glue setting spray also went viral. I tried it. I didn't like it. It was way too greasy. It made me too oily. So of course, we're going to go with the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. This is waterproof, humidity proof, sweat proof, everything proof, okay? What a glow up. Oh my gosh, we went from looking a little crazy to a complete makeover. The glam is glamming today, okay? I feel like I actually really like this lip combo with the eyes. It looks really pretty, but you will have to let me know in the comment section and down below, what do you guys think of the most viral products? Honestly, I think every single one of them deserved it because they're that good. I mean, the Tier foundation is just on another level of mwah, chef's kiss. I am really curious to see what products are going viral in 2025. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video.